Hello, so I was trying to decide what I was going to make for dinner. My husband is not home yet and I don't know when he's going to be home, so I thought I'd make something that I could just have ready. When he got home, I could make the rest of it. So it's going to be tacos, and I'm going to make it with this jackfruit. If you've ever seen the jackfruit, you go to an Asian store and get this jackfruit, and it will shred up like it is chicken. It just has a nice texture, and even if you don't want to, it's good for people who like chicken and are trying not to eat meat. Also, just for vegans who don't want to eat the meat but like just something different, it works good. I took and opened it and I rinsed it out real good, and I poured it in here. And as it cooks, I'll just take and break it up and let it break up into pieces. And as it cooks, it will do that. It'll, if you can see, it will shred up just like it's meat or something. So I'm going to start with 1 can of the jackfruit and about a half a cup to 3/4 cup of onions diced. You could do them as diced as you want. And here is 1/4 of a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of oregano. This has a teaspoon of onion powder and a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. You could use whole garlic if you want. A tablespoon of garlic powder, or you could use taco seasoning. And this is a teaspoon of cumin. Just gonna kind of mix this up. And then I'm gonna add, I made some salsa the other day. I'll have to do a video for this salsa. This salsa is so good. It's fire roasted salsa. And I'm gonna add probably, let's see, I'm gonna add probably about a half a cup. Just enough to cover it. And then I'm gonna start sauteing this. And I can add a little water too, it'll evaporate. But it smells very nice. Okay, so I'll show you in a few minutes after I get it starting to saute. I wish you could smell this. It smells so good. I'm just kind of breaking it up into bite-sized these chunks. See, there's still some chunks right here. Just kind of breaking it up. You can see it'll just break up. See that? And all I really want to do is let the onion cook and let all the flavors kind of blend together. I'm just going to stand here and stir it. Then I'll turn it down and let it simmer. I'm not going to tell my family what this is. They've had it before. It's been a while. You can put this in enchiladas. I'm just going to make them either soft tacos or tacos tonight. And I'm going to just put all the fixings for tacos, and that's what they'll have for dinner. Because everything can be ready, and I can just grab it and have it out. So I'll show you the finished product. It's probably going to take about 10 minutes to cook the onion. Still cooking here. I just added some salt, about a half a teaspoon. You can just salt it to taste. It's almost done, you can see. I don't know if you've watched any of my other videos. I like to use a wooden spoon because I can leave my spoon in my pan, and when I go to grab it, it's not hot. So that's why I leave my spoon in my pan. So, almost done. So I wanted to show you it's all done. I have it in a bowl, and I'm going to make refried beans and chopped olives, guacamole, salsa, cheese, vegan cheese, and they can put together with their tortillas, nice tacos or burritos, whatever they want. And this is it, my jackfruit taco filling. And season it how you want to season it. If you don't like it really heavily seasoned, and just don't season it as much. You could even take a packet of taco seasoning and just add that and the onion, and you'll be fine. And some liquid, some kind of liquid. So we like it. So I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.